Varna is the capital of Bulgaria, correct?
No, it's the sea capital of Bulgaria.
Okay.
Yes. I came here in Pasarón because I love to travel. I love to cook and learn new things. I love to meet new people and learn new things.
And what have you learned over here in Pasarón de la Vera?
I learned how to work in a group, how to be compassionate, to do everything with a smile and with a good sense of humor as well. I learned to cook the heritage here, the traditions, the culture, the nature is so beautiful. I feel really good.
Yeah. What do you do in your country for living? I mean,
For living, I teach dance, I sing, as well as learning a master degree of pharmaceutical management.
oh, so you are an artist.
Yes.
Okay.
And
So, how have been your living here? What do you think about Pasarón? What do you think about La Vera?
I think that the nature is so beautiful. While I was living here, the fresh air, it was so good. Just and it's so beautiful here.
So, will you tell your friends?
Yes, I would definitely recommend to come here and to drink sangria, for example, to know a little bit more for the culture, for the castle as well, and the city.
So, tell us about you, your name, age.
My name is Nikolai. I come from Sofia, Bulgaria, but I also have family in Varna. So I really like Spain. I've never been to Extremadura. I used to live in Barcelona before the pandemic happened, and I'm happy that I have a chance to come back in Spain right now. Happy to have a chance to experience La Vera, Extremadura as a whole. I really like it. Very beautiful, green nature, nice weather, a lot of food. People are nice, muy amable. I learned very good things about Spanish culture that I really didn't know because I was mainly exposed to Catalan culture. I also learned a lot of new things about the other country participants, which was nice and unexpected. And yes.
Okay, enough. So, both of you are from Bulgaria.
Yes.
So, we need another opinion.
Yes. That's why I asked.
I didn't realize when you asked me, I said, what a strange question. You know? Sorry, I didn't know. No,
It's not a problem.
from my point of view, I need another country.
Let me tell you who likes
Yeah,
to speak.
please bring me
Who likes to speak?
someone
Someone who likes
from
to
another
speak.
country.
Margita.
Ask your full name and the country you come from, etc.
My name is Margarita. The surname is Stale Kramer. I am 35 years old. I come from Latvia. And, in Latvia, I have my own business. I have a guest house, and also I'm one of the members in one project. We are producing metal design furniture.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you live in the capital?
No, I live in the countryside. I live 3 hours from capital. I live close to the Russian border. It's like an end of the Europe.
Okay. So, what have you learned over here in Pasarón in this course?
What learned? Oh, we had a lot of interesting things. Your culture, your food, your history. We had so much new information and new experience, and I'm excited.
Yeah?
Yeah. and very very friendly people, and all our group was very friendly and nice and amazing time.
So one of the points the guy before told me is that you learned about the things from other countries. So you tell each other the things that happen in your countries.
Yes, yes, and every day we have like a thematic, like a cultural day, where with which country like some national learns some national dances, talking, telling us a lot of interesting information about their country. And it's, I'm really excited about this project.
Okay, will you come back?
Of course.
Yeah?
Yes. Yeah. And also, I want to come to this region again because I want to go somewhere to see some surroundings more and to know something even more.
Okay, thank you.